Good Sunday morning. It's about 10 a.m. Let's practice with the Wallet Fresnel Lens. Always wear shades when doing solar experiments. All right, you know the scenario. You get some leaves off the ground. They'll have a little bit of moisture in them, so that'll make it just a little bit more challenging. And then you want to compact them just as tightly as you can into your fist. The most important part of this fistful of leaves is getting it very, very tight as you can on top, where you're going to train the focal point. So take time to do that. Now, the name of this company is Adventure Survival Equipment. So Google them and you should be able to get a 3-pack of these off of Amazon for about $13, including shipping. Always wear your shades when doing solar experiments. So we're going to take about 2 minutes to build up a nice hot ember before we take away the focal point and start blowing on it. And if we get a pop-up flame off of that, that's still not what we're concerned with. We're still wanting to go ahead and develop as big an ember as we possibly can before we put it into the other leaves. And we got ridges on here. Put the ridges towards the sun. You don't have to worry about the heat burning your hand because these leaves will insulate the heat from your hand. And as you see, it's instant smoke. There's no reason not to EDC a Wallet Fresnel lens. You see how strong they are. And on a sunny day, would you rather start a fire using solar or bow drill or a hand drill? There's just no comparison. So be patient. Like I say, do take at least a minute or two to build up a big ember before you start blowing on it. All right, let's give it a try. Let's get some more leaves. Try it one more time. We'll fire up this little stove. All right, y'all, you see how easy that solar ignition is. You're not expending any calories. Very easy to carry in your wallet. All you need is a fistful of leaves straight off the ground. You know there's moisture in these leaves. I encourage you to start carrying every day a Wallet Fresnel lens. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.